Welcome to Auto. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Highguard launch error failed to create game process.
Fix 1. Restart your PC. Step 1. Close Highguard and all background apps. Step 2. Restart your computer. Step 3. Launch Highguard again. Fix 2. Run Highguard as administrator. Step 1. Right. Click the Highguard launcher. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Step 3. Check if the game starts. Fix 3. Disable antivirus or firewall temporarily. Step 1. Open your antivirus or Windows security. Step 2. Temporarily turn off real-time protection. Step 3. Launch Highguard. Fix 4. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Steam or the game launcher. Step 2. Go to Library in Highguard. Step 3. Open Properties, installed files. Step 4. Click Verify integrity of game files.